Hi my dear students, in the previous videos we discussed how to add the two matrices and how to subtract the two matrices, and with the scalar, any scalar or any constant we have, how to multiply to the given matrix. That we discussed, and also we discussed properties. We discussed what is the addition property, and next to that is in that we discussed commutative law, associative law, and also we discussed existence of identity, and then we discussed inverse of the existence of the inverse for any given matrix. That is in the operation of addition we discussed. And also we discussed, my dear student, the how to, if I have the two constant, suppose k and l are the constants, and if a and b are the two matrices, then we discussed k into a plus b value is same as k into a plus k into b. This is the one property we discussed. And another one property we discussed, k plus l is equals to k plus l into a. If I have this value is equals to, here it is, k into a plus l into a. So these are also the properties we discussed in the previous videos. If you want more information about that, then you can refer my previous videos. And now today's class we are going to discuss, my dear students, that is exercise number 3.2. In this exercise I discussed, I think third question I discussed. Is it? Compute the following third questions. 3.2 in this exercise, the third main question I discussed, and now I am discussing the fourth question. I left first and second questions because in that we are going to apply the concept of the multiplication of the two matrices. Still I do not yet studied discussed that concept, so therefore I am discussing this question. So after completion of these questions I am going to discuss that multiplication. So directly why I am discussing this means, yesterday's class we discussed the properties on addition, how to subtract the two matrices, those all we discussed. So these are all the questions based on that concept, so therefore I am discussing this. So after discussing this we will discuss the multiplication of the two matrices. So now come to the fourth question. So what is the fourth question, my dear students? So in the fourth question they given you the three matrices A, B, C. So these are the three matrices they given to you, my dear students. A, B, C are the three matrices. Then compute. So compute means, don't worry, just you can assume that it as the, consider it as the find. So A plus B, find A plus B and B minus C. So both they are both the meaning same, compute or find or calculate. So here it is A plus B and B minus C value you should compute, you should find, and after finding that also verify that this value A plus of B minus C is equals to A plus B minus C. So whether these two values are equal or not, we should verify. So verify means we should check whether these two equal or not. So to verify these two results, in the previous videos only I told, to prove any result, either you can consider this LHS, this we can call it as the LHS, left hand side, and this we can call it as the RHS, right hand side. So you can, to prove these two are equal or not, or to check, first you can take this RHS and you can end up with the LHS. First you can calculate this value and then you can calculate this value, or else first only you can consider LHS and then you can solve the RHS. Or else if these two values are, you can solve here this first, whatever 4 to 5 steps you can solve, and after that you can take this part, and for this also if you solve 4 to 5 steps, if those two are equal, then you can say that these two are equal. So like that you can calculate. This is general method to prove any given results. LHS is equal to RHS. So now I will consider LHS. So before considering the LHS, my dear students, they only given that first you should compute A plus B. So therefore first I will calculate A plus B. So here A plus B is equals to, here it is, A plus B is equals to, and my dear students, we discussed how to add the two matrices. In the previous videos we discussed how to add the two matrices. So A plus B. So A is, your A matrix is 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. So this is your matrix A, plus you should add the matrix B. What is the matrix given? Matrix B, 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3. So this is equals to, my dear students, if we have the two matrices, how should we add? The addition of the two matrices is done by adding the corresponding elements of the given matrices. So here A and B are the two matrices. To add these two matrices, I'll add the corresponding elements of the given matrices. So here it is, the A is here, it is, the addition is 1 plus 3. Here 1 and this, for the one matrix, this is for this element, the corresponding element is this one. For this matrix, for this element, the corresponding element is this one. So now I'll add the corresponding elements of the given matrices. So therefore 1 plus 3. And next, my dear students, 2 plus plus of minus 1. 2 plus of minus 1. Next, my dear students, minus 3 plus 2. Like this you can add. And next, 5, 0, 4. 5, 0, 4. This element. And next, 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2. And next, 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. And next, my dear students, 1 plus 2. And next, minus 1 plus 0. Minus 1 plus 0. 1 plus 3. So like this addition can be done, my dear students. So now ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು 4ನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎನ್ಸಿಇಆರ್ಟಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 3.2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ 4th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. 4th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, 3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈ 3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, a plus b, b minus c, and also verify that ನೀವು ಈ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, a plus b ಮತ್ತು b minus c ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. a plus b ಮತ್ತು b minus c ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿಫೈ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆರಿಫೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐತೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ a plus b ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ a plus b ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ a ಮತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ b ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾನೇನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅದೇ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus 3 ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. 1 plus 3 and next 2 plus minus 1 minus 3 plus 2, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೇನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದಾವ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 plus 3 5 plus 4, 0 plus 2, 2 plus 5, and next 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 0, and next 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3. So now you can simplify. So now my dear students, so nimge to avoid the confusions, here it is minus 1, here it is 2 plus of minus 1. 2 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಬರ್ದೇನೆ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರಿಮೂವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುವಂತ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೈನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಉತ್ತರ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 plus 3 is 4, plus minus, so 2 minus 1, plus minus ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ plus minus 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 3 plus 2 is, or else ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, this is equals to here 1 plus 3 is 4, plus minus 2 minus plus minus 1, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Next 5 plus 4 is 9, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7, 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. And here it is 2 minus 1 values ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1. So therefore my dear students, this is your a plus b value. Am I correct? 4 1 minus 1 9 2 7 9 2 7 3 minus 1 4. Next I will calculate. This is your a plus b. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ a plus b ಮತ್ತೆ b minus c ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ a plus b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ b minus c ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ b minus c ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ b minus c is equals to what is the matrix b here? b is 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5 2 0 3 to this minus c. So minus c and this is your b, and next c is 4 1 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 3. So this is equals to, so this matrix minus this matrix. Also in the previous videos we discussed how to subtract the two matrices. To subtract the any given two matrices, again we should subtract the corresponding elements of the given two matrices. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ values ile 3 minus 4. So 3 minus 4 is 3 minus 4 is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is here it is, or else I'll write another one step. 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1. Next 2 minus 2 2 minus 2. Next 4 minus 0 2 minus 3 5 minus 2. Next 2 minus 1 0 minus of minus 2 minus of minus 2. Next 3 minus 3. So now you can simplify, my dear students. So after simplifying this, you will get b minus c is equals to 3 minus 4 is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2 2 minus 2 is 0, is it? Next 4 minus 0 is 4 2 minus 3 is minus 1 5 minus 2 is 3 2 minus 1 is 1 0 minus minus plus 2 3 minus 3 is 0. This is your b minus c, my dear students. And next we can calculate, verify that. We should verify this. We calculated the b minus c value, and also we calculated a plus b value. Next we are going to calculate LHS. I am going to consider. This is your LHS and this is your RHS, left hand side and right hand side. So now already we know the b minus c value. This is your b minus c. So let us consider LHS. So this we can call it as the LHS. So a plus of b minus c, my dear students. So therefore a plus, what is a matrix? A matrix is 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 and next 1. Next plus b minus c. What is b minus c? Here we have minus 1 minus 2 0 4 minus 1 3 1 2 0. Yes, my dear students, add these two matrices. So if you add, you will get it as 1 plus of minus 1 2 plus of minus 2 minus 3 plus 0. Is it? And next 5 plus 4 0 plus of minus 1 2 plus 3, and next my dear students 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2, and next 1 plus 0, and this is equals to how much it is? Plus minus minus 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 plus minus minus 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3, is it? 5 plus 4 is 9 plus minus minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Call this as equation 1 or call this as 1, or you can consider it as LHS only. So this is your LHS value. Next, find out RHS value. So if RHS value is also, if you get these values, then you can say that LHS is equals to RHS. My dear students, this question is very important. For 5 marks, sometimes they may ask such a questions. So in this topic, already I told you, there is a one question of the 5 marks of the marks 5. So 5 marks question, one question will be there in your annual examinations. So such a type of question also they may ask. So please solve such a type of questions. Is it? So this is your a plus b minus c. And next I am going to calculate RHS. For RHS, I'll erase this one. Can I erase this part? I needed this a plus b values, so I'll keep this one and remaining I am going to erase. I think you don't have any doubts here. Can I erase this part, my dear students? Please remember, if A is equals to B and C are the three matrices they given to you, they asked you to compute A plus B and B minus C. A plus B I calculated here. Your A plus B value is this much. And next, my dear students, I calculated B minus C, and then they asked to verify these two results. To verify that two results, just I calculated A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C, this I called it as LHS. And now I am going to calculate the RHS, my dear students. So therefore, I don't have space, so therefore I am erasing the question. Can I erase? Yes. Now I should find. Now, my dear students, I will find the result. Next, I will consider it as I will find out RHS. So RHS is equals to, what is RHS? I should show this result, A plus B minus C. So A plus B minus C, this is RHS. This I wanted to prove. So now I'll erase this. So now, my dear students, A plus B. What is A plus B? A plus B already I calculated. The A plus B value is, A plus B value, I am substituting the A plus B value. A plus B value is 4, 1, minus 1, 9, 2, 7, 3, minus 1, 4. This is your A plus B value. Next, minus C. What is C? C, this is the C value. I erased in the given question only, or here this C value is there. I will write this one, 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, 3. In question, you can refer. C value is this much. Now, my dear students, this matrix minus this matrix I should calculate. So this matrix minus this matrix is, subtract these two matrices. If I subtract this, I will get the answer as my dear students, here it is 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus 2, and next 9 minus 0, 2 minus 3, 7 minus 2, 3 minus 1, and next minus 1, minus 1, minus of, minus 1, minus or minus as it is, next this element, minus 2, next 4 minus 3, and this is equals to 4 minus 4 is, my dear students, it is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, and next 9 minus 0 is 9, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 7 minus 2 is 5, 3 minus 1 is 2, minus minus plus, plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. this is your RHS value, is it? So you can call it as 2 from 1 and 2. You can say this I call it as the 2 and this I call it as the LHS, or else from LHS and here it is by from 1 and 2 RHS is equals to, or else from 1 and 2 LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore the given two values are equal. So LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore what is LHS means? LHS means A plus of B minus C. LHS is A plus of B minus C is equals to A plus B of minus C. This is your RHS. So therefore my dear students, this is they ask you to verify. So this is your required proof or to be verified. Clear? So very important, my students. Please try to solve, understand this question. If you have any doubts, please comment me. I'll answer for that. I hope you understood. And next we'll go to the next concept or next question. So pause the video to note it down. And no need to explain once again in Kannada because just addition process is there. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ LHS ಮತ್ತು RHS ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. So LHS ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. LHS ಅಂದ್ರೆ A plus of B minus C. So B minus C ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. A ಅನ್ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, A ಅನ್ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ B minus C ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. So B minus C ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನೈತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದೈತಿ. So A ಅನ್ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ B minus C ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಇದು B minus C ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 1 plus 1 plus minus minus 1. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ A LHS. ಲೈಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ RHS ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ A plus B minus C. A plus B ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐತಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ C ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಇವೆರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂತು. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು LHS is equals to RHS ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಎಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಳಿತೇವೆ, ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಳೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಳಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡ್ಸಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ ಅವೆರಡದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕರಿತೇವೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಅಥವಾ you can call it as this is the A11 element and this is also A11 element and here it is A12 element, A12 element, A13 element, A13 element. Like this also you can understand. So next question is, so next question nodrele fifth question of your NCERT, if A is equals to. So now I move to the fifth question of your NCERT exercise number 3.2. So the question is, I read the question, if A is equals to, fifth question, if A is equals to 2/3 1 5/3 1/3 2/3 4/3 7/3 2/3. My dear students, this is the A matrix they given to you, and next matrix B is equals to 2/5 3/5 1 1/5 2/5 4/5 7/5 6 by 5, 2 by 5. These are the two matrices they given to you, and then they given that then compute 3a minus 5b. My dear students, you should find 3a minus 5b value. So now, we will calculate or compute 3a minus b. So to find 3a, to solve this, first we should find out the 3a value. So how will you find out 3a? A is given to you already. This is the A is the matrix. To this matrix, I should multiply with the scalar, or you can call it as the constant value, that is 3. So to this A matrix, given matrix A, I will multiply with the 3. And similarly, to calculate 5b, what should I do? To calculate 5b, to this given matrix B, I will multiply with the constant 5, and that we already discussed. So we discussed to the any given matrix how to multiply with the scalar. We discussed that. So to multiply that, what I told, to multiply any given matrix with the constant, we should multiply with the each element of the given matrix. Then that is the scalar multiplication of a matrix to the matrix. So now then compute 3a minus 5b. First I will calculate, my dear students, 3a. So how should calculate? 3 into, what is a, my dear students? A is, here it is, the given matrix A is 3, as it is I wrote. Next I will write the matrix 2 by 3, 1, 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3, 2, 2 by 3. This is A matrix. I wanted to calculate first 3a. So 3 into a, 3 as it is, A is the matrix. So now I told, my dear students, already what I told, to the any constant value, if I wanted to multiply any constant or scalar value to the matrix, what should I do? I should multiply this constant with each element of the elements of the given matrix. So therefore, these three, with these three constant, I am multiplying each element of the matrices. So that is nothing but take these three inside the bracket. So therefore, my dear students, this is 3 into, here it is 3 into 2 by 3. Next here it is 3 into 1. Next, my dear students, 3 into 5 by 3. Next 3 into 1 by 3, 3 into 2 by 3, 3 into 4 by 3, and next 3 into 7 by 3, 3 into 2, 3 into 2 by 3, my dear students. Now cancel this, 3 into 2 by 3. So this value and this value we can cancel. And next here also 3 cancels. Here also 3 got cancels. 3 got cancels. 3 cancels. 3 here also cancels. And next here also cancels. Here nothing is there, means 1. Here it is not possible to cancel. So here is 3 and 3 will got cancels. So now, my dear students, further simplify this. So further if I simplify, it means I will get the 3a value as 3a is equals to the first 3 cancels, only 2 is remaining. So 3 ones are 3 ones are. So here it is 2, 3 ones are 3, and 3 got cancels, only remaining is 5, and here it is 1, and here it is 2, and here it is 4, and here it is 7, because 3 got cancels, 3 2s are 6, and here it is 2. This is your 3a value, my dear students. I hope you understood. And next I am going to discuss I'll find the value of 3b, that is 5b. So again, to calculate the 5b value, just multiply 5 with the given matrix B. Yes, my dear students, I will multiply the constant 5 to the matrix B. If I multiply that, I will get the 5b value. Yes, first write down the 5. 5b is equals to 5 into 5 as it is. What is the matrix B, my dear friends? So B is the matrix 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 5, 2 by 5. My dear students, to the matrix B, I am multiplying with P. So the given matrix B is as it is, 5 here it is. Now take the 5 inside the bracket. If you take 5 inside the bracket, that will become 5 into 2 by 5. 5 into 2 by 5. 5 into 3 by 5. 5 into 1. 5 into 1 by 5. 5 into 2 by 5. 5 into 4 by 5. 5 into 7 by 5. 5 into 6 by 5. 5 into 2 by 5. So my dear students, I am taking this 5 inside the bracket. So therefore here also 5 got cancels, 5 ones are 5 ones are. Here 5 got cancels, here 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 ones are. This 5 got cancels. So now the remaining is, here it is 5b is equals to matrix 5 already cancelled. The remaining is 2, my dear students, and next 3 5 1 2 4 7 6 2. So this is your 5b value, is it? Now actually you should calculate it, you wanted to calculate the value of 3a minus b. So therefore 3a minus 5b is equals to, so what is 3a, my dear students? 3a is, here it is. So 3a is 2 3 5 1 2 4 7 6 2. This is your 3a minus of 5b value is this much, 2 3 5 1 2 4 1 2 4 7 6 2. So 5b value is this much. So now subtract these two values. If you subtract this, you will get, my dear students, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0. Is it? Next 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0. Next 7 minus 7 is 0, 6 minus 6 is 0, 4 minus 2 is, 6 minus 6 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is your value, 3a minus 5b value is clear. So therefore, my dear students, therefore 3a minus 5b value is this much. 3a minus 5b value is this much. And next we will going to solve the sixth question, my dear students. So I will discuss that one. I hope I will erase this part, this question, and next come to the next question. Sixth one is so, my dear student, the sixth question I am going to write is sixth question. Sixth question is simplify cos theta into cos theta inside the bracket cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta and next cos theta sin theta. So you should simplify this one. So how will you simplify the my dear students? Simplify they ask. So it means that we should take this cos theta inside the bracket. I mean cos theta we should multiply with to this matrix and sin theta we should multiply with this matrix and then we should add the values. So therefore my dear students, to simplify that, first of all I will multiply 2 with that. Sorry, cos theta with that. So therefore here it is cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. I am just rewriting the given question here. It is to simplify that, my dear students. So minus cos theta sin theta. So this will become cos theta. I am taking inside the bracket. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Cos theta into sin theta is cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta just I am taking inside the bracket. Cos theta into plus minus minus cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. I'll write little space is required, so therefore I am writing here cos theta into sin theta. Next cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. So this is cos theta I am taking inside the bracket. Next my dear students, plus sin theta I am taking inside the bracket. Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta plus minus minus sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. It's not minus here. This is the different element. That is first row second column element it is. Next sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Next sin square theta. Is it, my dear friends? And next this will become, we should add this matrix with this matrix. So that will become cos square theta plus sin square theta. Next cos square theta plus sin square theta. Next cos theta into sin theta plus minus of this value sin theta cos theta. Next my dear student, minus cos theta into sin theta plus, I'll write here it is, plus sin theta cos theta. Next cos square theta plus sin square theta. Is it? And we know my dash, this I'll simplify and next I'll write, because here little bit confusion, you may have the confusions because of this minus and plus. Therefore I wrote inside the bracket, my dear students. Next my dear student, so this will become cos square theta plus sin square theta. We know that cos square theta, or else once I'll write again cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Next cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta plus minus, it is minus sin theta into cos theta. Next my dear student, minus cos theta into sin theta, minus cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta. Next, the last that is second row, second column element is cos square theta plus sin square theta. And please remember, my dear students, I told or we discussed in the previous class only, we have the result. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1, or else sin square theta plus cos square theta value is also 1. So therefore I am substituting that result. So that will become, here it is sin cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1, cos theta into sin theta minus sin theta into cos theta. So this is also may be written as cos theta first and next sin theta. So cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta, same values. So therefore they will got cancels and remaining value is 0. And here also minus cos theta sin theta, cos theta into sin theta, plus cos theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta, both values are same. So therefore got cancels. Here also 0, and here it is cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. This is what your required value. I hope you understood. So ನೋಡಿ, 6th ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. cos theta ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin theta ಇಂಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ cos theta ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್, cos theta is nothing but it may be the any angle, cos of any angle. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕೇಲರ್ ನಿಂದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ cos theta ನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. cos theta into cos theta cos square theta, cos theta into sin theta cos theta into sin theta, cos theta into minus plus minus minus cos theta into sin theta. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ sin ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ, ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos theta into sin theta plus of minus sin theta into cos theta, minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, cos square theta plus sin square theta ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ therefore ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos square theta plus sin square theta as it is. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ minus cos square theta sin square theta as it is. Here also cos square theta sin square theta as it is I wrote. So here simplify, plus minus minus, next minus cos theta into sin theta as it is, cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta and remaining as it is. ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, ಇವೆರಡು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು, 0 ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು, 0 1 value. So like this we can solve. And next my dear students, we will discuss the 7th question that we'll discuss in the next video. I hope you understood. Still if you have any doubts you can comment me, I'll reply for that. Thank you.